Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins me now for the Trader Rundown. And I think, Dan, a lot of traders are still looking for a major pullback.
I think that's correct. You can still feel the bearishness down here, the disbelief of the market's ability to continue to push higher even after some of these announcements that have come out over the last couple of weeks.
And how is the market reacting to geopolitical events?
Well, discounting it, and maybe to its own peril, Angie, and that's something that astounds us. And when we kind of look at what's going on, we look at what's going on in China, we look at what's going on between China and the U.S. and the rhetoric there, the rhetoric between South Korea, North Korea, and Japan, and there's just so many moving parts, and even the Middle East now with this kind of feeling of what's going on with the oil markets, and oil coming under pressure, and the Middle East saying maybe we're going to flood the market with oil. So there's a lot of moving parts out there. The market's just basically put on mute for a couple of years now, and I think at some point there will be a tipping point where we'll see some of these geopolitical events start to impact the market.
What will matter more to traders this week, economic data or March Madness?
March Madness. There you go. I'm just going to say it. It's all eyes. Everybody's going to have one eye on the TV watching the games throughout the week. But there could be a sleeper out there. We do have we had the G20 meeting over the weekend. We'll see how that plays in the market this week. And there's always the chance of something coming out of Washington, because again, the one thing I think to point out is that we're getting now to the 100-day anniversary here, and we're still not seeing any real movement in corporate tax reform or infrastructure spending. It's all been focused on healthcare, and I think that at some point the market had anticipated that some of these initiatives would be off the ground by now, and they're not. So that could be another area where you might see the market start to say, maybe there's some hesitation here.
Thank you for coming on the show. Have a great trading day.
Thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me.